Hello and welcome to another lesson about Bluefort's license and subscription app, embedded in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and supply chain, also known as finance and operations apps. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you the feature relating to automatic billing posting profiles. So this is the split revenue recognition billing posting profile that I used in one of the previous lessons. And what I've done, I've appended the configuration with automatic billing posting profiles. So let's see what I did. Let's just click through into here, and here we see that the two automatic billing posting profiles have been added as sub profiles of the main billing posting profile. So this is a lookup here on the billing posting profiles records that I have in the system in the current company. Here I can choose if this record is applicable to only add-ons or parent records, or to all types, both add-ons and parent. And the last field shows what is the amount of billing period months to be used when we apply this automatic billing posting profile. So these automatic billing posting profiles per se, they do not add any financial differences on the postings or what is posted to the ledgers in terms of either invoicing or revenue recognition. However, you will make the life of the user much easier if you configure these automatic billing posting profiles, because then once configured, the system will automatically propose the correct profile based on the billing period months of that cycle. So what's important to note is that for these automatic billing posting profiles to be considered, the main profile, so the parent of these automatic profiles, which in this case is the split revenue recognition, so it's also shown here at the top. So this is the parent. So what's important is that this is on the subscription plan header. So once this is on the subscription plan header, the logic will automatically pick up the right billing posting profile on the line level. And then of course, if the user for some reason doesn't agree that that is the correct one, maybe there's something which is missing in the configuration from the subscription admin, or for some other reason, of course then it could be overridden. So the reason for configuring automatic billing posting profiles is so that there are less errors being done on the entry of subscription plan lines, and also to make it faster for the user to make the correct decisions on which billing posting profiles to apply for the correct revenue recognition policies of the company. So now here see we've reviewed the configuration here. So that's all there is to it from a configuration point of view. So now we'll jump into subscription management cockpit, and we will create a new subscription plan. So that's my program type, and like I said a few minutes ago, here at the top it's important to select the posting profile which is the parent one and which has the automatic billing posting profiles beneath it. So if I'll again drill through this field, I'm back to the same form, and here we have the automatic billing posting profiles. So that's the plan. We'll create the renewal option and start from, let's say, 1st November. We'll do it for one cycle, and there's the option to renew. Maybe we would like it, and then we're going to do the Teams license just like we did a few lessons ago, and the quantity 1. So as you can see in this case, no, apologies, I have wrong setup here, so I must go back to the details, and then it's yearly, so I need a yearly subscription in this case, and automatically when I change from monthly to yearly or vice versa, this is automatically updated here, so I don't need to do anything if I make a mistake. So again, let me create my Teams license, and now I can see that there are 12 months. Right, so there are 12 months between 1st November and 31st October, but the billing posting profile remained the same one, which is inherited from the header. And the reason that in this case it remained the same one, of course, is because we configured the automatic billing posting profiles to only work on add-ons. And in our case, the Teams license is not the add-on, but it is the parent, so it is not applied. So we'll just click OK there. Like we saw in previous lessons, the revenue recognition item has been added because it has been configured as an automatic add-on, and because we have a term configured in the renewal options. And if we drill down into the revenue recognition, then we can see here indeed that the 12 months billing posting profile has been applied. Because why? Because the RR support is an add-on, and therefore in this case the logic will kick in and put in the 12-month support there. So that's been a line which has been automatically created by an automatic add-on. So I'll also show you the same concept of billing posting profiles, but this time creating a line manually. I'll now put in a normal add-on, not a revenue recognition add-on. So I'll put in the quantity there, and again without me manually choosing the 12-month billing posting profile, based on the fact that we have 12 months as the billing cycle, and based on the fact that we configure our automatic billing posting profiles to work on add-ons, it automatically deduced the 12-month billing posting profile. So now I'll publish my plan. I'll run the master process as usual, as we do in all the lessons, and we will firm the subscription plan actions, and like we did in the previous lesson, we can post our sales order, which now has 2 lines, one for the Teams license and one for the enterprise support. And we'll also post the revenue recognition entry for our embedded basic support, which is embedded in our license. So that's that. Now to show it the demo of the feature a bit further, what I'll do, first of all, as background configuration, I've created 6 months here as well. So what I'll do, I will unpublish this plan, I will select these records, and I will create a credit note. I'll create a credit note for 6 months after the original invoice. So first May, I'll put in a reason code, for example churn, and here we can see that credit note lines were created. We know that credit note lines, we can identify the credit note lines from this backward arrow symbol there. And here's the magic again of billing posting profiles, of the automatic profiles, the Teams license is on the split revenue recognition because that is a parent, but if we go on the support, then it automatically deduced 6 months pre-post revenue recognition, and even on the enterprise support, again it deduced that 6 months are left from the billing cycle, so we needed to give a credit note for 6 months, and we need to reverse the revenue for 6 months. So there we have it, the 6 months revenue recognition. So in this lesson I've showed you the justification for having automatic billing posting profiles and how you configure them. In reality, of course, you will have more than two here, and you will have as many automatic billing posting profiles as the number of split periods you can have within a contract. So that was it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and found it of value. Thank you very much, and I hope you join us for more lessons.